Welcome to Laguna Beach, a really charming coastal town in Orange County that is famous for its stunning beaches, vibrant art scene, and charming atmosphere. With its mild Mediterranean climate, Laguna Beach is a perfect spot for anyone who loves the water and wants to experience the best of Southern California's beach life. Today we are heading to one of the most exclusive resorts in Southern California, Montage Resort and Spa. The property located on a prime stretch of the California coast, right on a bluff overlooking the Pacific Ocean. The location couldn't be more picturesque. It's nestled between two beautiful secluded coves and has panoramic ocean views from any angle at the property. It's just minutes away from Laguna Beach's charming downtown, where you can explore art galleries, boutiques, and local restaurants. As you step into the lobby of the Montage Resort, you are welcomed by an elegant space that immediately sets the tone for a luxurious stay. You're greeted by an open, airy design with high ceilings and large windows offering stunning views of the Pacific Ocean. The decor is sophisticated with plush seating areas, rich wood accents, and tasteful coastal-themed artwork. We stayed in the bungalow suite with an ocean view. A beautifully designed space with sophisticated decor and a coastal theme that has the charm of a beach house. The suite is approximately 1,000 square feet and features a separate living room complete with a cozy fireplace and a balcony. Adding to its many conveniences, suite also had a fully stocked bar. However, we did notice some water spots on the carpet, which was a bit disappointing in the otherwise great surroundings. The bathroom is luxurious, with elegant marble details, a deep soaking tub, and a separate walk-in shower. High-end toiletries and plush bathrobes further enhance experience. The main pool at Montage is a stunning centerpiece of the resort with its beautiful mosaic tiles. The water is always warm, making it a delight to swim in any time of the day. One of the highlights of the pool area is the live music, which adds a festive and relaxing vibe. Overall, it's a perfect spot to unwind and soak up the sun in a truly picturesque setting. The landscaping at Montage is designed to complement the natural beauty of the coastal setting. However, you can't help but notice the fake grass in some areas, which detracts from the otherwise natural beauty of the surroundings. A 20,000 square foot spa offers a variety of treatments, including massages, facials, and body treatments. The decor is elegant, with natural elements like wood and stone creating a peaceful atmosphere. In addition to the treatment rooms, the spa offers several amenities for guests to enjoy before and after their treatments. There is a relaxing lounge area, a eucalyptus steam room, a dry sauna, and a whirlpool. The fitness center within the spa is well equipped with state-of-the-art machines and offers various fitness classes. An outdoor lap pool is a great place to swim and relax. The food at the Montage is exceptional and stands out as the highlight of our stay. There are 3 main dining options. The Loft, which offers a more formal experience. mosaic bar and grill, and lobby lounge for light bites and evening cocktails. Overall, my experience at Montage was good, but it didn't quite live up to the high expectations I had for a resort of this caliber. While the location and scenery are incredible, the overall value feels a bit off. The property itself feels like it could use a bit of a facelift. With such a high price point, you expect everything to be flawless, and I think a little remodeling or attention to detail could really elevate the experience. That said, if you're coming here for the incredible views, an amazing pool, and exceptional dining, you'll still enjoy your time. Thanks for watching. See you at the next check-in.